Today, we take you through the critical steps of the generator engine assembly. First, our technician installs the metal pin that ensures a secure connection of the rotor chamber with other engine parts. The installation of the metal pin is the first step. Next, the technician uses a specialized tool to precisely fix the crankshaft bolts. Every bolt is tightened to the exact torque specifications, ensuring the engine's stability. Now, the technician begins assembling the crankshaft gear and drive shaft. This is vital to ensuring smooth power transmission throughout the engine. Installing the crankshaft gear and drive shaft is crucial for the engine's power system to function efficiently, transmitting energy with precision. Let's take another look at this skilled technician as he continues the installation on the next engine. As before, the technician is installing the metal pin to secure the rotor chamber to the engine body. Next, we see the technician precisely tightening the crankshaft bolts using specialized tools, ensuring everything is in perfect alignment. Every bolt is tightened with precision, following strict torque specifications to ensure engine stability and optimal performance. The technician then installs the crankshaft gear and drive shaft, vital for smooth power transmission within the engine. With careful attention, the technician assembles the crankshaft gear and drive shaft, ensuring the system runs smoothly and efficiently. Every detail counts. Our technician's skill and precision ensure each engine is assembled to the highest standards. Thanks to our continuous production line, every generator we produce meets the highest quality requirements and delivers outstanding performance. Don't forget to follow me. I will continue to showcase the complete engine production process.